Hey friends, today we're going to draw Giraffe Melman from Garten of BanBan. Start out with a couple circles for the eyes. And a smaller circle inside for the pupil. And then just to the side here, we're going to draw an even smaller circle inside for the highlight. Above the eye, we're going to draw a point up and it comes down for the ear. Draw another one that goes up and then comes down. Draw the head. Add another horn here. I'm going to draw line that comes out for the ear and comes back in. Inside, we're going to draw the inside part of the ear. And come over to this side and we're going to draw this one. Draw a curve coming down for the nose. Then the back of the head. We're going to draw a curve over the face. Then draw the nostrils, which are just long lines. And draw a line that goes straight down for the neck. Then the bottom of the foot. Then it comes up and then goes back down. And draw the other foot. And draw a horizontal line for the bottom of the belly. And we're going to draw this back foot here, which is a little bit wider than the front feet. Up here we're going to draw the back. Curves down, make a tail. Then connect the bottom part of the neck to the top. Now down on the feet, we're going to draw a horizontal line across for the hoof. We need to draw the belly. Now we need to add all the speckles on the giraffe, all the patterns. So we're going to come up by the eye and draw one here. And draw one under the eye. And these are kind of like rectangle shapes, but with soft edges, so they're not hard angles, they're kind of curved. We'll just continue these patterns directly down the neck. And that's how you draw Giraffe Melman. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing. Be sure to check out the other drawing tutorials on the channel. See you in the next video.